Introducing Addresses, the latest enhancement to Quickride's shuttle rides management platform. On the new Addresses page, Quickride administrators can specify which common pickup and drop-off locations your shuttles give customers rides to and from. Your shuttle dispatchers can use these locations when creating rides to make the ride creation process quicker and easier. In the Passenger app, your customers can create their own rides back to the specific locations they need to go to. Quickride, shuttle service made easy.